Good afternoon. Hi, it's me Faisal from MK Roofing. So today we are here in Southside doing a big bedding job in Canberra. So there's the long ridge caps, approx 25 meters. We remove completely all the ridge caps and clean, replace the broken tiles. Those are the new tiles there. So the first step, what we did here, remove the capping, cleaned thoroughly, and doing the bedding, the mortar. The new mortar here with the cement, with the, as you can see here, we already did the 4 meters of the capping with the new mortar. Once the bedding job done, we will do the grind nicely so that the edging are very sharp. This edging here, and then we'll do the pointings. And also, you know, the whip holes in the ridge cave is very important. I'll show you how to do the whip holes if you come here. So we usually use the thicker one. This thicker one for the bedding and thinner one for the pointing. Thank you. So what happened is, give it to me. So when it's heavy rain for a long time, like a 2 days, 3 days, a week time, these tiles here can soak the water. So if the tiles soak the water in rainy season, the water can drain from these whip holes. Yeah. So when we do the pointing at the top, we will do the another whip holes with the thinner one, so the water can drain. So stay with us and give us a call if you need any roofing service around Canberra. Roof restoration, repair, replacement, and the painting, we can be helped. Thank you very much. Take care.